Hey everybody, welcome back. So I have to confess something.
Here we go.
I don't want to say how long I spent last night browsing printables.
It was like 3 hours.
It was not 3 hours.
I went to bed. You were still scrolling. I woke up. You had 17 tabs open.
Okay, it might have been 3 hours, but I found a lot of really good stuff.
You always say that.
And I'm always right. People keep asking where we find all of our files, and today we're showing you all our spots. The whole treasure hunt.
No gatekeeping.
No gatekeeping. Let's go.
Let's go. All right, first up, Printables,
It's run by Prusa, the printer company.
which means the community is really active and the quality tends to be high. What we're going to go is we're going to go 3D models.
Yep.
And then we will look on sidebar and go down to license. And you'll hit select. And you want Creative Commons public domain and Creative Commons attribution are the...
Yeah, they show up as CC0 and CC BY. And those are the ones I search for because those are the ones I know they're free.
commercial use allowed.
But I still check every time. Check each individual print just because you find someone in there who prints a free to use model. It doesn't mean every model they have on there is free to use.
Yeah.
Some of them can be commercial licensed and some of them are.
And make sure you check on the actual file page because we have seen it different between the two and you want to be sure which one you got.
Absolutely. The other thing we love about Printables is the makes section. Real people posting their actual prints.
If a file has 100 makes and they all look good, you know it prints well.
If it has 0 makes, proceed with caution.
Like the Dummy 13 has 2,625 makes.
That's pretty good.
You can make that.
You can make
You
that.
can print that.
You can make that and know that it's probably going to turn out pretty well. Next up, Thingiverse, the OG, the granddaddy.
The website that loads like it's 2005.
Okay, yes, it's slow. It's like so slow sometimes.
But
the library is massive. There are prints that have been on here for years. There are deep cuts and weird things that you will not find anywhere else. And as of this week, the news is that MyMiniFactory has bought Thingiverse. So let's hope that the repository of over 2.5 million things will stay available. It has needed an upgrade for years, so maybe this will be good. License filtering is a little bit different here. You're going to look for the Creative Commons public domain dedication. That's going to be your CC0. That's a crab pancake.
crab pancake.
Everybody needs a crab pancake.
Yeah. And then also CCBY, which would be attribution. It means you can use it commercially as long as you credit the designer. So you see the CCBY.
Those are going to be the two that you're looking for as far as files go if you just want free. Anything that has CCBYNC, that means non-commercial. So if you're going to use those prints, you can't sell them. Yep.
No go.
No go. We have found some of our best sellers though on Thingiverse, so.
Because everybody forgets it exists, there's less competition.
Exactly. MyMiniFactory is more of a marketplace.
Lots of paid files here.
which usually means higher quality prints.
Because people are trying to make a living and they put in the effort.
Absolutely. There is some free stuff too, but the real gems are often paid. We've bought files on here that have paid for themselves in like 2 orders. It's definitely worth the price if you find the right designer. And this is also where we go for minis and detailed stuff like tabletop gaming.
Yeah, not really our niche, but if that's your thing, this is your spot.
For sure.
Oh, look at that little scroll.
Oh, I like that.
That's great. Cults 3D. This one doesn't get talked about as much.
Which is kind of weird because it's really good.
It's a mix of free and paid, and it's really nice interface.
It's way faster than Thingiverse. And the variety is also great.
Getting the licensing, you really need to just go to the front, go to the search bar, search for the thing that you're looking for. So if you're just looking for a tree, we'll just go with a tree. And then search. And then you get the filters. And then you can go for free if you want free. And then you can go in the filters and you can find the license and you can pick CC BY, and then down here we have CCO, and we can say okay, and then
view those 1.6K search results.
So then when you see something that you do like, you need to go onto that page and check and make sure that that license is there also. Fallen tree, CCBY, no AI. One thing to watch here, some designers sell commercial license separately.
So read carefully. The file might be free, but the commercial use might cost extra.
Which is fair.
Mm-hmm. Absolutely.
Play me.
Look at me.
Stay there. Asia's burger. We're not here for that.
We are not here for that.
I need to get another big helmet printing.
And see, this is why you spend 3 hours scrolling, because there's just so many things to look at. It's insane. Oh, Dobby. Dobby is a free elf.
Yeah. Dobby's not commercially available. I'm pretty sure JK is not giving it.
JK is not giving out a commercial license for Dobby's or Universal. Don't do it. It's not worth it. You print it for yourself.
There's a gray area because they're selling these like mashups now where it's like Daffy Duck in RoboCops or something, right? And I don't know if that's still. It's a gray area.
Personally, I think it's pushing a boundary, but yeah, I just don't. I don't think it's worth finding out. And last but not least, MakerWorld.
This is probably where we spend the most time.
Tons of files to print on here for your personal use, not to sell.
Lots of paid files here. Designers selling directly.
It's the best place that we have found personally to try out a designer's models before paying for a commercial license with them for their other files.
Most of the designers that we support through Patreon, we found here. Is mixtape keychains?
I put those on.
Things are so...
the
Goonie skeleton.
Now everybody is gonna see all of my. This is what I spend hours doing. I don't even waste time putting them into collections anymore. I just hit the like, and then I think later I can go back in and put them in a collection.
That's gonna be great.
There's the
candy vending machine. Is this it?
That's the retro.
That is the one.
Yeah.
Yeah. I have to make this. These are.
It's gonna happen. It's
definitely gonna happen. Cheers. Beers.
Beers.
You can put that downstairs. That would be nice.
They got a Raven candle holder. That's real nice. Also, you can search on here by public domain. You can see down there that they have the public domain, or you could do CC BY also.
Yeah. Sorry. So we're back to the video.
There,
Let's reset all the filters, and then you can just come straight down here, and you can click public domain.
yeah,
And
or
you can click BY. And then
and they do have some there. I would say
How's that fun?
maybe not as many, but who knows? I have a lot of public domain stuff saved on, but that's mostly because I have too much stuff. You have to make sure that when you go through these things and you see, even when it says CCO or CCBY, just have enough common sense, obviously, to know if it's an IP.
I mean, just know what you're getting into. You know,
Yeah.
you know, you can
Just
do it.
know
You
you
can do
print it for you. You print it for you all day. But don't put it on a website. This guy right here. This was my Valentine. Oh, look at him.
He's so cute.
But we sell him. He's just to hang out here at the house.
So that's our treasure hunt. Printables, Thingiverse, MyMiniFactory, Colts 3D, and MakerWorld.
We're not naming designers, but the principle is when you find someone whose stuff prints well consistently,
Follow them. Bookmark them. They are gold.
you'll develop your own list over time, and always check licenses.
Always check licenses.
Let us know in the comments if there are sites that we're missing.
Genuinely, like if you have a secret spot, maybe you want to share it, we'd love to know.
Happy hunting, and try not to spend 3 hours scrolling.
She says, knowing she'll be doing it again tonight.
I might. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. And we'll see you in the next video.
See you.
Bye, guys.
Bye.